Tired of your phone dying? Today, we're reviewing the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate solution for staying powered up anywhere. This incredible portable charger boasts a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, enough to charge an iPhone 6 times over. Imagine week-long trips or endless workdays without ever worrying about your battery. That's the freedom this power bank offers. But it's not just big. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device for the fastest, safest charge possible. That means your phone or tablet gets juiced up quickly, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time doing. And for those with multiple devices, its dual USB ports let you charge 2 gadgets simultaneously, perfect for sharing or managing your tech. This makes it an absolute must-have accessory, proving itself as one of the best portable chargers for travel and daily use. Its sleek design, combined with unparalleled performance, truly makes the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh a standout product for 2025 electronics. Ready to upgrade your charging game? Find the Amazon link for this fantastic power bank right in the description below. Get the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh and never let a dead battery slow you down again.